Oh, that's a good boy. I didn't ask you that, Joe. Speak. Good boy. Okay. Now, you're going to go outside. Okay. Can you close the door? Close the door. Oh, good boy. Good boy. High five. Yeah. Drop. Oh, that's a good boy. Can you shake? Oh, good boy. Shake. Oh, good boy. Lay down. Oh, good boy. You good baby girl? Okay, up. Okay, wait. Okay, back. Oh, that's a good boy. You want another treat? Another treat? Okay. I can stay. Run. Stay. Stay. Okay. Good boy. A good boy. Can I have a hug? Can I hug? Oh, that's not it. We're gonna have to edit that. Hug? Can we hug? No. Can we hug? Oh, thank you. Oh.